step, we will measure the distance from the object to the building. The second step, we will measure the eye level of the person.
So now my partner will be using the inclinometer to find the angle of the highest peak of the building. So now that we have measured and distinguished what we are about to use for this process, we will first lay out a sketch of what's necessarily happening. So now we've observed the height of the building, which is unknown to us, and we have measured the distance between the base and the building, and we've measured the eye level or the height of the base, and we have also used the inclinometer to find out the angle or angle of elevation to the highest peak of the building. So we've measured that the distance between the front porch of the building and the base would be 50 meters, and the height of the person and which would be the angle level is 1.6 meters. Using the inclinometer, we found out that the angle from the eye level to the highest point of the building is 40 degrees. The video shows that our angle is 40 degrees, but what we should be preserved is actually 90 minus 40, which equals to 50 degrees, because this is the complement of the angle, which is that the angle we've seen is actually the difference between 90 degrees and the angle we're seeing. So 90 degrees minus the angle of elevation, which will give us the overview of the angle, 50 degrees. Using the tan formula, which is tan of this angle is 50, is equivalent to the opposite of adjacent, and the distance is 50. So tan 50 degrees equals to the opposite over 50, which is the adjacent. So now we have to cross multiply, which is moving the 50 meters right here, which is 50 meters times tan of 50 degrees equals to the unknown height of the building, which we will keep it as the opposite side. Using the calculator, first of all we have to put in the degree mode. 50 times tan of 50 degrees equals to 59.6 meter. So now that we have the unknown height of the building, which is the topper part of the eye level, Our missing part is the lower part of the building, which should be measured from the eye level to the ground. So our ground level is 1.6 meter, or the base. So now we have to add both of the height, which is the highest point, 59.6 meter, added with the lowest part of the building, which is our height or eye level, which is 1.6 meter, which would give us 61.2 meters. Then that is the total height of the building. Thank you.